If a heavy vacuum makes quick cleanup feel like a chore, this Shark Rocket HV301 offers a lighter approach. Let's unbox it, assemble it, and see how easy it is to handle. Inside the box, we have the handheld vacuum, wand, floor nozzle, crevice tool, and upholstery tool. The orange finish gives it a familiar Shark Rocket look. Everything connects without a complicated setup. First, attach the wand to the handheld unit. Then connect the floor nozzle at the bottom. Shark lists the simple vacuum at 7.6 pounds, so it should be easier to carry between rooms and upstairs than the full-size upright. The HV301 has two power settings for bare floors and carpets. The slim cleaning head uses swivel steering to move around furniture and reach under beds, couches, and tables. Since it uses corded power, there's no battery to charge before cleaning. Now let's try it on the floor. This is a first use check, so longer testing is still needed to judge suction, carpet pickup, and noise. For stairs, furniture, or the car, press the release and convert it to a handheld vacuum. The crevice tool is designed for corners and narrow spaces. The upholstery tool is for couches, stairs, and surface pet hair. My first impression is the Shark Rocket feels light, simple to assemble, and easy to steer. Check out the description for where to get this.